Welcome back to our channel. So before starting this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share the videos. So student, in today's session we are going to discuss about the different levels of strategies. So in this strategic level there are three types of strategies. The first one is corporate level strategy, business level strategy, and last one is operational or functional level strategies. So corporate level strategies decide the business as a whole, and if they are making a strategies for a whole business, then it is a corporate level strategy. The business level strategy, in which the strategies are decided for particular business unit, and the operational level strategy which work at the operational level or at the functional level. So these three strategies are available in the business, and it works at the corporate level, business level and functional level. So when the levels are going from top to bottom in this strategy, if levels are increasing from to top to bottom, the responsibility of making strategies are increasing. So operation level strategy, they are having the less responsibility than the business level strategy. Then business level strategies have the less responsibility than the corporate level, and corporate level strategies are having the more responsibility than the other two levels. And the implementation is goes from top to down. So implementation of these strategies actually work at the operational or functional level. So whatever strategies are made at the corporate level or business level, it are implemented at the operational level or at the functional level. So all these strategies which are decided, it implemented actually at the operational level or functional level of the business. So friends, from next video onwards we will discuss the all the strategies one by one. So thank you for this watching this video. Please subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.